How can a small business pay less VAT legally in the UK? VAT is a complicated and lots of rules involved to calculate this correctly. Here I will give you 5 tips for small businesses to reduce their VAT bill legally. This video is general guidance, not advice. Number 1. Maximize VAT on business expenses. Generally, you can claim VAT on items you buy for businesses use if you are VAT registered. You can also be able to claim back VAT on any business expenses. If any item have a dual use, you can only claim the business proportion of the VAT. For example, half of your mobile phone call are personal, you can reclaim 50% of the VAT on the purchase price and the service plan. If a small limited company runs a business but the bill for part private, part business expenditure are in the name of the individual as a director of the company, it is still possible to claim back VAT on these expenses. VAT on business car and petrol. You might be able to reclaim all the VAT on a new car or a commercial vehicle if you use it only for businesses. You must be able to show that it is not used for personal. If you use a car for 100% business purpose and it has been purchased by the VAT registered business, you can claim back VAT on accessories you buy and fit later. You can only reclaim VAT on fuel if you use it for business purpose only. If you have a car on the lease, you can reclaim 50% back on fuels and their cost if you use it businesses and privately. When to charge zero rate on your sale? You charge zero rate on goods and services if you export them, depending on where in the UK you are supplying them from and where they are going to. The builder, the 5% reduced rate VAT is available for a wide range of residential conversion and renovation projects. There are some legitimate ways, barriers, scheme and rules under which you can save some money. Here I will explain 3 of them. Flat rate scheme. If the business turnover less than 150,000 per year, you can use flat rate scheme. You will pay a fixed percentage of your gross turnover depending on your types of business. If you are in your first year of VAT registration, you get a 1% discount on your flat rate in your first year. But remember, flat rate, you cannot reclaim VAT on your purchases except for certain capital asset over 2,000. Cash accounting scheme. VAT cash accounting scheme you can use as well if your turnover is below 1.35 million. Cash accounting means that you only have to pay VAT to HMRC when your customer pay you. So this will help you for your cash flow. VAT retail scheme, people who have a off-license shop and they can use this VAT retail scheme. If you sell zero rated and standard rated goods in your shop, you can use VAT retail scheme. You will pay sales VAT based on your standard rated purchase ratios. Claim pre-registration VAT. When you register for VAT, there is a time limit for backdating claim for VAT paid before registration. From your date of registration, the time limit is 4 years for goods you still have and 6 months for services and not. Get a professional advice before finalizing VAT. Keeping record is necessary. Always keep all the bills and invoices. As per law, you must keep all your business record for VAT purpose for at least 6 years. Thank you.